Do you want to focus on an app or game without being distracted by notifications or anything else? My suggestion is to use Android's built-in feature called Pin app. Here I show you how. First, you need to activate the Pin app feature. Open Settings, select Security and Privacy, tap More Security Settings, then enable the Pin app feature. After that, open the app or game you want to enjoy without any interruptions, then tap the Recent App button, tap the app icon, and then select the Pin this app option. And you're done. Now you can enjoy your app or game without being disturbed by notifications and other things. Then how to unpin the app? Easy, tap and hold the Recent App button and the back button simultaneously. Then now the app has been unpinned. That's all for this video. Hopefully it's useful, and thank you for watching.